Hello, let's check those OPPO A5 have AI features. So let's open the settings. From here, let's search for AI. And here we can find AI Service Engine. So this is like AI Service Engine provides support for AI services on the system by using AI capabilities such as semantic analysis of images and speech. So you can turn it on by using this switcher, but I can tell you that this is enabled by default. So let's go to the photos and open some image, and here click on edit. So as you can see here we have AI editor, so you can use some AI features to edit your photo. Also by default we have Gemini as our personal assistant, so you can ask him whatever you want. Gemini is supported by OPPO A5. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.